Imagine a world where technology decides your future. Now, what if that technology wasn't fair? In our digital age, artificial intelligence, or AI, increasingly influences many aspects of our lives, from who gets hired or promoted to who receives a loan or how someone is treated by law enforcement. With such significant decisions at stake, the fairness of AI systems becomes crucial. What happens when these systems inherit human biases? So how can we ensure that AI systems are fair and just? But first, what exactly is AI bias? Imagine a facial recognition system that consistently misidentifies people from certain ethnic backgrounds because the images used to train it predominantly feature another ethnicity. Or consider a hiring algorithm that favors applicants from a specific demographic simply because it was trained on data that reflected past hiring biases. AI bias occurs when an algorithm produces systematically prejudiced results due to erroneous assumptions in the machine learning process. This type of bias can creep into AI systems through the data used for training. If the data is skewed, the AI's decisions will likely be skewed as well. The real-world consequences of AI bias can be severe, affecting everything from job opportunities to judicial fairness. Particularly concerning is the impact on minority groups, who may find themselves unfairly targeted or overlooked by biased systems. These implications underscore the critical need for vigilance and corrective measures in AI development. Now that we understand AI bias, the next question is, how do we tackle it? Achieving fairness in AI is not just a technical challenge, but a moral imperative. As we delve into the realm of artificial intelligence, it's crucial to ensure the technologies we develop are fair and unbiased. One of the foundational steps towards this goal is using diverse data sets. By incorporating a wide array of data from various demographics, AI systems can learn to make decisions that are more representative of the global population, rather than reflecting existing prejudices. However, having diverse data is just the beginning. Regular audits of AI algorithms are essential. These audits, conducted by independent bodies,